Looking for a tranquil lifestyle surrounded by nature? Welcome to Rancho Pistachio, a spectacular ranch in the hills of Hacienda de la Labor, an area renowned for its peaceful atmosphere, security, and proximity to the amenities of Chapala. This ranch is surrounded by unspoiled nature. With over 18,000 square meters of fully fenced land, this property offers total privacy, absolute peace, and endless possibilities to create your ideal retreat. The ranch is adorned with mature fruit trees, pistachio, mango, and avocado, creating a green and productive oasis that invites relaxation and sustainable living. Self-sufficiency is key at Rancho Pistachio. Private deep well to ensure abundant water, above-ground cistern strategically located near the house, reliable generator for independent electricity, infrastructure ready for hassle-free installation of solar panels. Easy access thanks to ample road infrastructure, making this place a private yet easy-to-reach retreat. If you dream of a private sanctuary to farm, relax, and live sustainably, Rancho Pistachio is the opportunity you've been waiting for. Don't miss out on this unique gem in one of Chapala's most desirable rural neighborhoods. Want to know more? Contact us today and start making your life at Rancho Pistachio a reality.